The following short film has been produced to offer guidance on inflating a pool vehicle tyre. Remember, at all times, safety is of utmost importance. Therefore, if you have any reservations regarding this activity or the safe condition of a vehicle, report your concerns via Safeguard and do not place yourself or others at risk. Inspect the tyre for foreign objects or damage. If there is an obvious cause, for example a screw or gouge, report via Safeguard and hand the keys into reception. Check the manufacturer's recommended tyre pressures from the driver's door edge or service manual within the vehicle. Collect the compressor from site reception. Ensure you are confident in the safe operation of the compressor. Consult the manufacturer's instructions. Commence and complete tyre inflation to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. Do not leave the compressor unattended throughout the inflation process. And listen for sounds of air escaping during and after the inflation process. Wait for a minimum of 3 minutes. Recheck the tyre to ensure it has remained at the previously inflated pressure. If the tyre remains at the inflated pressure, carefully repack and return the compressor to site reception. Turn the steering wheel to allow an easier inspection of the full tyre surface. Check the tyre again once you've rotated forwards or backwards by half a wheel rotation. If there's an obvious cause, for example a screw or gouge, report via Safeguard and hand the keys to site reception. Note in the daily journey logbook that you have inflated the tyre so the following driver is aware of your actions. If you are thoroughly satisfied the tyre is safe to use, commence your journey.